We will bring you those live feeds, live, raw, and unfiltered here on News Now from Fox. In the meantime, I do want to bring you a news alert that we have received just moments ago. I'm going to pull up this graphic for you here and read you the latest from our Fox News team. President-elect Joe Biden has tapped Pennsylvania Health Secretary Rachel Levine to be his Assistant Secretary of Health, leaving her poised to become the first openly transgender federal official to be confirmed by the U.S. Senate. A pediatrician and former Pennsylvania physician general, Levine was appointed to her current post by Democratic Governor Tom Wolf in 2017, making her one of the few transgender people serving in elected or appointed positions nationwide. She won past confirmation by the Republican majority Pennsylvania Senate and has emerged as the public face of the state's response to the coronavirus pandemic. You've seen her several times here on News Now from Fox when we air Tom Wolf's coronavirus updates. Dr. Rachel Levine will bring the steady leadership and essential expertise we need to get people through this pandemic, no matter their zip code, race, religion, sexual orientation, gender identity, or disability, and meet the public health needs of our country in this critical moment and beyond. That's a direct quote from President-elect Joe Biden. He says, quote, "She is a historic and deeply qualified choice to help lead our administration's health efforts." A graduate of Harvard and of Tulane Medical School, Levine is president of the Association of State and Territorial Health Officials. She's written in the past of the opioid crisis, medical marijuana, adolescent medicine, eating disorders, and LGBTQ medicine. Biden and his transition team have already begun negotiating with members of Congress, promoting speedy passage of the president-elect's $1.9 trillion plan to bring the coronavirus, which has killed nearly 400,000 people in the United States, under control. It seeks to enlist federal emergency personnel to run mass vaccination centers and provide 100 immunization shots in his administration's first 100 days, while using government spending to stimulate the pandemic-hammered economies.
So many of them. And so, yes, and by the way, in prison, the determination should be that your sexual identity is defined by what you say it is, not what, in fact, the prison says it is. And in that case, you should be entitled also to OGBYN. Anyway, you didn't ask that question, but you're not likely to either, I guess.